Hey guys, Jeremy May here with Vector Pro Staff. I just wanted to give you a little update on what I'm doing this year as far as my Jon Boat Build goes. I've actually started building a new boat for 2020. I'm actually building a 16-foot Lumacraft. So pretty much I had a bare Jon Boat, and I'm actually converting it to a bass boat conversion with livewell storage, foot control trolling motor, the whole shebang for a lot of the local Jon Boat tournaments that we have in the area. I'm actually part of the Jon Boat Elites, and it's actually the top-notch guys in the southeastern Virginia area. So I just want to give you a little rundown on what I'm doing real quick so you guys have an idea. Let's start at the bow. And right now I've actually custom designed a landing deck, which is all constructed out of 22 gauge aluminum angle iron and aluminum sheeting. I'm actually putting a 24 volt trolling motor on here. It's a motor guide, 80-pound thrust. Let's see here. I've also went ahead and built me a little 8-inch, what I call a perch. It's for when I'm bed fishing or in the springtime. It's actually very handy, and it's great to stand on while I'm bed fishing, etc. So anyhow, this boat has actually been constructed for a couple reasons. One, it's going to be extremely fast for a Jon boat. I think I'm running somewhere in the 24-25 mile an hour range for a 9.9, which is impressive. My boat right now weighs about 215 pounds, which typically most Jon boats this size actually are very heavy from the manufacturer, but this gauge aluminum is only 18 gauge, which is it's almost like a custom fabricated boat. So anyhow, let me go back to the specifications here. I've got a hatch right here for my baits. Sorry, I got it locked. Little dry storage, my baits, etc. It's also weatherproof seal, so my baits and everything don't get wet. This is my live well. It's a 33-gallon live well. Sorry, getting used to the hatches. So I can hold pretty much 20-25 pounds pretty comfortably. So anyhow, I'm putting a rocker switch panel in, and the switch panel, something like this right here. I'm actually going to mount that right there. So I have all my controls for my bilge, my recirculated pump, my navigation lights, my water fill-in. I think I already said bilge, but anyhow, one thing I'm very impressed with is the lithium battery power. I've actually gone to a deep cycle 24 volt 100 amp battery, which is only one battery versus two for a 24 volt. This battery is actually 33 pounds compared to the traditional lead battery, which is almost close to 60.5 pounds, 60.5 I think it is to be exact. So yeah, this boat's gonna do me justice, and I'm actually building it to be very efficient on the water, as well as have the speed so I can get to my spots, and so I can catch some fish. So let me know if you guys have any questions, comments below. All right, guys, thanks. Stay tuned. I'll give you guys a final build once I'm complete. Thank you.